If your iPhone is heating up, getting hot during normal use, or even when you're just scrolling, then this video is for you. Today I'm going to show you 3 quick fixes that actually work and can cool down your iPhone fast. These methods work on iPhone 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and even older models. Make sure you watch until the end because I'll give you a bonus tip that solves overheating from the root. Let's get started. Most people don't know why their iPhone heats up, but the reasons are actually simple. Your iPhone heats up when too many apps are running in the background. Even if you swipe them away, many apps continue to work silently and use battery and CPU. Your iPhone also heats up when you use it while charging. Watching videos, scrolling Instagram, or playing games while charging puts heavy stress on the battery. Another major reason is being in a hot environment. Direct sunlight, hot rooms, or car dashboards can push your phone's temperature dangerously high. When your iPhone gets too hot, it slows itself down to protect the hardware, and that's when you feel lag and freezing. The first fix is to remove the hidden background load that your iPhone is handling. Start by closing all apps running in the background. If you have a Face ID iPhone, swipe up and hold, then close every app. If you have a home button iPhone, double-press the home button and swipe all apps away. Next, turn off background app refresh. Go to Settings, then General, open background app refresh, and turn it off completely. This one step alone reduces a huge amount of unnecessary heat. You will instantly feel the phone becoming lighter and cooler. The second fix is to stop overheating while charging. Never use your phone for heavy tasks while it's plugged in. Put your phone on charge and leave it alone for around 15 to 20 minutes. Your battery will charge faster and your device won't heat up. Also remove the phone case while charging. Cases trap the heat inside and make your iPhone even warmer. Keeping the phone uncovered while charging allows the heat to escape easily. Stick to original Apple chargers or high-quality certified chargers. Cheap chargers create unstable voltage that heats the battery from inside. The third fix is to adjust a few power-hungry settings that are quietly heating your phone. Open Settings and go to Display and Brightness. Reduce your brightness if it's too high, because maximum brightness creates strong heat from the screen. Turn off Bluetooth if you're not using it. Disable location services for apps that don't need it. Go to Privacy, then Location Services, and switch unnecessary apps to while using. Also turn off Wi-Fi Assist. This feature continuously switches between Wi-Fi and mobile data, causing the phone to heat. Go to Settings, then Cellular, scroll down and turn off Wi-Fi Assist. Within a few minutes, your phone's temperature will start dropping. Now here is your bonus tip. Restart your iPhone at least once every 2 days. A simple restart clears hidden processes and resets thermal sensors. To restart, press and hold the volume button and power button, slide to power off, wait 10 seconds, and turn it back on. This small habit prevents 70% of heating issues over the long run. And that's it. These are the 3 quick fixes that actually work and can help your iPhone stay cool and perform better. Try them right now and let me know in the comments if your phone temperature improved. If this video helped you, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more easy tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.